Hey guys, it's Safas here, and in this video, we'll be talking about learning front-end web development and learning it fast. I've been in the front-end web development space for a while now. Yes, and I'm actually working remotely. So, what have I done that have actually helped me move from zero to one? So, I'll be sharing that with you guys today, giving you tips on how you can actually learn this very fast. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. I share content here about web development and tech. So let's get into this video. Let's get to tip number one. I have three tips for you guys, three things I did differently that have actually helped me improve so far. And I'll be sharing something new for you guys that are coming to web development or front-end web development. So stay to the end of the video. So number one on the list today is learn the basics. If I'm to start off with front-end web development, definitely HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the basics for front-end web development. So I would say take your time, learn HTML, learn the fundamentals, learn CSS, and learn JavaScript. You need the basics to actually move to the next level. So make sure you get the basics right. If I'm to start learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript today, these are the things I will do differently. First of all, if I'm going for free course, I will make sure I pick the right tutor and the tutor that will actually cover all I need for the basics. I don't know if you get me. If you're new, I don't know if you have had this issue with free tutorials. Sometimes some of the videos don't cover what you need to know as a beginner. So make sure you go through the video content. That's if you're using free, and if you're going for paid, well, that's the best option for me. Pay that money, get the basics right, and I'll do same for CSS and for JavaScript as well. So number two on the list is practice. And if I'm talking about practice, I mean take on personal projects. For me, that's the most important thing. Take on personal projects. Now you know the basics. Now you're familiar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The only way you can master front-end web development and master it fast is by taking projects. Each project comes with its challenges. So the more you encounter these challenges, the better you learn and the more you improve. 3 months is enough for you to actually move from zero to one if you're serious and you commit to doing it every day. And that leads to point number three, which is consistency. Yeah, if you're consistent with learning, I assure you 3 months is enough for you to actually move from zero to one and even get a job. Yes, that's it. Take on projects. This project will make up your portfolios. That's one. This project will sharpen your skills. That's two. This project will expose you to what's out there. I mean, the life project you will encounter if you're working for a company today. So I encourage you to take on projects and stay consistent. Okay, on consistency, doesn't mean you must code for 8 hours a day, since I'm sure you have been researching and you heard a lot of top programmers code for 8 hours a day. You are not a senior developer yet, and consistency for you may be just 2 hours or 1 hour a day, or 1 hour in I can't say a week actually, but it has to be a day or within each 2 days or every weekend, depending on where you're coming from. Like someone that has a regular job already trying to learn tech. So I would say consistency is fixing a particular time within the week, a day, and sticking to it. Doing it always is the most important thing. So you can have the basics, you can take on project, but if you're not consistent, you will learn front-end web development very fast. It will take you a very long time because you get to learn and you forget and you come back, you relearn, and that will take a lot of your time. If you're still here with me, I have a bonus for you, and I said this bonus will be for newbies, I mean beginners, those that are actually trying to learn front end web development, those that are new to the whole stuff. If you're learning front end web development as a beginner, I would say your best friend is the documentation. Mm-mm-mm. And I would also recommend you learn the basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and move quickly to a front end. You won't understand this, but it will actually help, because if you're coming in new and you want a job within the next 3 4 months, there are industry standards you have to actually look into, like making use of frameworks for CSS, for example, Bootstrap, for structuring of your website, and for responsiveness. You make use of React. Yeah, we'll make a video talking about why I actually stopped using plain CSS and JavaScript and HTML, and I moved to React. It's a whole new experience, and you actually appreciate the whole movement. So I encourage you to learn fast, adopt this framework, and move very fast if you want to actually catch up with what is happening there. So that is it for me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have more content for you, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and I will be there to answer you guys. See you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching.